What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 15. So y'all know I had to get my favorite color, which is pink. Y'all, I told myself that I'm not getting another phone until they come out with a pink one, and so I had to. I've seen a couple unpacking videos, but I just wanted mine to be, raw and uncut. So I'm gonna be unboxing the new pink iPhone. Y'all, I'm tripping. They already came out with a pink iPhone, the iPhone 7. Let me go see if I can find it. Literally, the old iPhone 7, y'all. This is my high school phone. I can only imagine what's on this, but the battery's apparently dead, so I can't get access to this anymore. But y'all, I'm acting like this is the first pink iPhone. This was literally, I think this was the first, and I had to get it because it was pink. But now we're gonna be opening the 15. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. I'm gonna start back posting more content, so y'all stay on the lookout for that as well. But if you're new, come on, join the team. We're trying to get to 5K, you feel me? 5K. But okay, so let's go ahead and start. Y'all, I haven't had a new phone since like 2 years ago. I have the 12 right now. Yeah, I have the 12. Y'all, I don't know how to open it. I think this is how you're supposed to do it. In the bottom. Okay, now what? Okay. It's so cute. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Hey y'all. Okay, so another thing is I'm so used to having the small version of a phone. So I told myself I'm gonna spoil myself and get the bigger phone, and that's literally what I did. I got the Plus. It's not the Pro Max, it's just the 15 Plus. Oh. We do not got time for that. Okay, so as y'all know, it comes with the charger, but it doesn't come with a block, which is a feature I really hate that they don't do anymore. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is just like the pamphlet information. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this piece off. Super cute. I love pink, y'all. It's literally like the best color in the world. So once you take that off, this is what it's giving. I never had a phone this big. Yo. So this is what the side features look like. It got the USB port. It's a new USB. Y'all didn't even peep that, y'all. It's a USB-C. So now it's the USB-C, the newer charger. So dang, this about to be that hurt. So now, if you need to charge your phone, you're gonna have to have the new charger. Y'all, these are like for newer Androids. So I'm kind of surprised that they're switching over to this. I mean, I wonder if Apple made this first or did the Androids, because a lot of Android devices use this charger as well. But so now, if you got that 15 and you out in public with your friends, you got to make sure you have this charger with you, because they're not going to have it. Dang. Okay, anyways, dang, I'm still kind of bummed out about that. Okay, the camera is like this, diagonal. It's just super dope. Like, it's super cute, and it's a matte look. It's not like, it's just matte. It's super cute. It has a matte material. And yeah, I love it. I need to get a protective case now and a screen protector. I kind of want to get the protective stuff for the camera as well, because y'all, I drop my phone every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, literally. But this is so mean. I'm so worried, but y'all, it's super cute. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Y'all gonna see that white apple. They say iPhones are really like not that good, you know, because when it comes to, you know, the Bible and the forbidden fruit. Ooh, cute. Hello. Hey. Oh, that's different language. Oh, that's different language too. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do. Okay, let's see what they talking about. Y'all know we gotta speak English over here. United States. Choose the size of the appearance. Oh no, baby, we don't need that. Default. Okay, so it's gonna do all the pairing. I ain't gonna do all that on the video, but I just wanted to see y'all to see the quick little intro. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Really, it's just a quick unbox and a quick show and tell. I wonder what the freak that is at the top, that little black thing. It's kind of creepy, like I feel like somebody's watching me. But yeah, that's really the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you're new again, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. Peace out, y'all. See y'all in the next video.
You don't know it's beautiful. Take a chance, you never know.